Ça n'arrive qu'aux autres, on ne réalise pas tant que ça ne nous touche pas. On sait très bien ce qui se passe ailleurs, mais on nous se plaint. Relâche et vis, ferme les yeux, imagine-toi.
Imagine-toi.
Tu verras quand ta vie est belle.
Ferme tes yeux et imagine ta vie dans ces pays où les hommes politiques sont trahis, où la liberté d'expression est une conspiration, où le dollar civilise avec des canons, où on peut mourir d'une simple fièvre, où les épidémies se promènent sans laisse. Crois-tu vraiment tenir sur la canicule de ces pays où pendant 2 mois tu bronzes, eux toute l'année ils brûlent? Imagine ta vie sans eau potable, une douche les jours de pluie, pas de bouffe mise sur la table. Imagine-toi dans un hôpital avec une maladie incurable, une maladie qui te juge coupable. Imagine-toi enfermé comme Natacha Campouche, ou brûlé comme Mama Galedou dans le bus. Ouvre les yeux maintenant, et avant d'insulter la vie, réfléchis dorénavant.
Ça n'arrive qu'aux autres, on ne réalise pas tant que ça ne nous touche pas. On sait très bien ce qui se passe ailleurs, mais on nous se plaint. Relativise, ferme les yeux, imagine-toi. Tu verras quand ta vie est belle. Ferme les yeux, imagine-toi quelque part en Afrique, dans un village bâti de terre sous un soleil de plomb. Imagine l'air chaud et lourd, cette étendue désertique, ce maigre troupeau de chair et ce bâton. Imagine cette longue marche que tu dois accomplir afin que tes bêtes puissent paître et se rafraîchir. Ces 30 bornes à faire, ces voleurs de bétail et leurs kalachnikov qui tirent sans réfléchir. Imagine Madagascar et ses montagnes d'ordures. Imagine tes 8 ans et tes pieds sans chaussures. Imagine tes mains dans les détritus. Pour un bout de pain, mec, tu t'y habitues. Imagine Paris et son périphérique, quelque part sous un pont, pas loin du trafic. Imagine-toi sous un duvet sale, luttant contre le froid, luttant contre la dalle. Maintenant imagine-toi dans ta voiture bloquée dans les embouteillages. L'homme sort lentement de sa couverture, l'homme à ton visage. Dis-moi ce que tu ressens, le regardes-tu autrement? Avant d'insulter la vie, réfléchis dorénavant. Ça n'arrive qu'aux autres, on ne réalise pas tant que ça ne nous touche pas. On sait très bien ce qui se passe ailleurs, mais on nous se plaint. Relativise, ferme les yeux, imagine-toi. Tu verras quand ta vie est belle.
Car imagine-toi sans la musique, la santé abîmée par les 3-8, les allers-retours aux AC10.
Saïd, imagine-toi sans cette réussite, en galère juste le SMIC, prisonnier de cette tour de briques.
Imagine-toi sans sniper, moi sans psychiatre, et ces bons moments que d'autres ne connaissent pas.
Imagine un peu nos vies sans tout ça, c'est pour ça. Remercions Dieu pour tout ça. Pardon pour les jours où je me plains, les jours où je ne vois que moi, mon nez, pas plus loin.
Pardon pour toutes ces fois où j'ai grossi mes problèmes, pour toutes ces fois où j'ai fait tourner le monde sur moi-même.
Ferme tes yeux juste une seconde, vois la misère du monde et ta place dans tout ça.
Prends conscience de la chance qu'on a et tu verras peut-être que la vie est belle.
Snoop Dogg and D.R.E. Nah, nigga.
Guess who's back?
Still doing that shit, Andre?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
Check me out. It's still Dre Day, nigga. AK, nigga. Though I've grown a lot, can't keep it home a lot. Cause when I frequent the spots that I'm known to rock, you hear the bass from the truck when I'm on the block. Ladies, they pay homage, but haters say Dre fell off. How, nigga, my last album was The Chronic. They wanna know if he still got it. They say raps change, they wanna know how I feel about it.
You ain't up on things.
Dr. Dre Dre is the name, I'm ahead of my game. Still puffin' my leaf, still fuck with the beats. Still not loving police. Still rock my khakis with a cuff and a crease. Still got love for the streets, reppin' 213. Still the beats bang, still doing my thing. Since I left, ain't too much change. Still
I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world.
Still
hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
Still taking my time to perfect the beat, and I still got love for the streets. It's the DRE.
I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world.
Still
hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
Still taking my time to perfect the beat, and I still got love for the streets. It's the DRE. Since the last time you heard from me, I lost some friends. Well, hell, me and Snoop, we dipping again. Kept my ears to the streets, signed Eminem. He's triple platinum, doing 50 a week. Still, I stay close to the heat, and even when I was close to defeat, I rose to my feet. My life's like a soundtrack, I wrote to the beat. Street rap like Cali weed, I smoke till I'm sleep. Wake up in the AM, compose a beat. I bring the fire till you're soaking in your seat. It's not a fluke, it's been tried, I'm the truth. Since turn out the lights from the world-class wrecking crew, I'm still at it, after mathematics. In the home of drive-bys and acmatics, swap meets, sticky green and bad traffic. I dip through, then I get through the DRE.
I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world.
Still
hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
Still taking my time to perfect the beat, and I still got love for the streets. It's the DRE.
I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world.
Still
hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
Still taking my time to perfect the beat, and I still got love for the streets. It's the DRE. It ain't nothing but mo hot shit. Another classic CD for y'all to vibe with. Whether you're coolin' on the corner with your fly bitch, lay back in the shack, play this track. I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world. Still
hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
I'll break your neck, damn near put your face in your lap. Niggas try to be the king, but the ace is back.
So if you ain't up on things,
Dr. Dre be the name, still running the game. Still got it wrapped like a mummy. Still ain't trippin', love to see young blacks get money. Spend time out the hood, take their moms out the hood. Hit my boys off with jobs, no more living hard. Barbecues every day, driving fancy cars. Still gon' get mine regardless.
I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world.
Still
hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
Still taking my time to perfect the beat, and I still got love for the streets. It's the DRE.
I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world.
Still
hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
Still taking my time to perfect the beat, and I still got love for the streets. It's the DRE.
I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world.
Still
hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
Still taking my time to perfect the beat, and I still got love for the streets. It's the DRE.
Right back up in your motherfucking ass. 9-5 plus 4 pennies. Add that shit up. DRE. Right back up on top of things. Smoke some with your dog. No stress, no seeds, no stems, no sticks. Some of that real sticky, icky. Ooh wee. Put it in the air. Boy, you's a fool, DR.
It starts with
one thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on to didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be a memory of a time I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. One thing, I don't know why, it doesn't that in mind. I designed this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so. Things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the end. You kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually